Hello everyone and welcome to the Como Lego channel. Now I have another video in the series of 5 useful tips, where they are completely random tips and on no particular topic, so I am sure that one of them will be very useful to you. I hope you liked the video, and without further ado, let's see what they are. Your hands are heavily stained with grease that, as you know, is very difficult to remove? Well, don't worry, just put liquid soap on your hands and put the same amount of sugar on your hands. This will work as an abrasive and will remove the grime from your skin very easily and effortlessly. Just scrub them as if you were washing them normally and you will see how the grease is removed as if by magic. Besides, since it works as an abrasive, it will leave them very soft. Try it and you will see that it works very well. Do you have these types of hooks if your shirts keep falling or slipping due to movement or removing other shirts and they end up everywhere except hanging on the hook as seen in the video? Don't worry, just take your hooks and put a large rubber band on the ends of it as shown on the screen. You may require more than one, but that will depend on your hook. It is important that you do it on both sides because otherwise it will slip again. Now we just hang our shirt and try doing the same movement that we did at the beginning. And you will see that it moves, but it no longer falls because the garters make it have that grip with the fabric and do not allow it to move beyond where we put them, and thus keep it in place so that it does not slip and fall as happened before. Do you want to fill a bucket with the sink faucet only to realize that it is impossible due to space and filling it with a glass would be very time-consuming and tedious? Just take a foam rubber tube that is for the pool and insert it into the sink faucet as I show you in the video. Try to fit it to your key carefully so you don't break it. Once well placed, just open the water tap and the foam tube will work like a hose to fill the bucket, without having to go down to the street tap or fill it with a glass at a time. As you can see in the video, the water comes out perfectly without spilling. So we will no longer have problems filling our bucket on any floor of the house. If you sent a message and you realize that it was not for the person you wanted to send it to, don't panic. If you are quick enough, at the time you pressed send and realized the mistake, just quickly put your phone in airplane mode. This way the message will not be sent since it cannot find a connection and they can delete us right there without it reaching the wrong person. This works on iPhones. I honestly don't know if they have a fast Android, but if so it should work. But my recommendation is that you always read your messages carefully before sending them, so you can notice spelling mistakes or worse still, the atrocities that the autocorrect suddenly puts on and thus avoid misunderstandings. As you can see, it can be deleted without having been sent as seen in the video. Has it happened to you that you are left without electricity in your house and you do not have emergency lamps that shine well and the ones you have only illuminate a single point at which you direct them? Just take a bottle full of water and one of the LED bulbs you have, like this one that I show you on the screen. It doesn't have to be the same one, just that it is more or less this size and that it works well. And with a rubber band, adjust it to your bottle with the bulbs pointing towards where the water is. In this way the amount of light will increase and it will illuminate much better than the pure lamp. But let's try it in a room without light so you can see the difference. As you can see, it not only illuminates a single point, but it disperses the light like a triangle. By moving it away a little you can see more how it will illuminate the room, and at least everyone will be able to see a little better than just pointing the lamp where we want to see. If you have a bottle with a flat base, you can also put it on the lamp and it will illuminate more uniformly. Unfortunately with the camera you cannot notice the difference, but try it at home and you will see that it illuminates much better. As you can see, there are 5 other tips that can be very useful in your daily life and that are very easy to do. Maybe some of you already knew it, but surely have friends or family who can use it, or simply so that they know that there are other ways to do things. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked these tips. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.